Good morning, students. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel SKG Tutorial Online Classes. In previous video, you have know about science for class 8, synthetic fibers and plastic. In this video, we have to study what is polyester, acrylic and knowledge about plastic. First we explain what is polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber which is made up of polymerization of esters. So it is also called polymer of ester. Ester is a sweet smelling substance which is generally present in fruits. But this ester is utilized in the formation of for making polyester synthetic fiber. It is made from petroleum products. There are many varieties of polyester like terylene, Dacron, PTE, that is polyethylene terephthalate. Polyesters have some properties which you have to remind. Polyesters are strong. These fibers are stretchable like rubber, elastic होता है. These fibers are ड्यूरेबल, टिकाऊ होता है, काफ़ी दिनों तक चलता है, कपड़े इसके मजबूत होते हैं. पॉलिस्टर फाइबर्स रेसिस्ट रिंकल, यानी इसमें कपड़े में सिलवटें या मोड़ने के निशान नहीं पड़ते. प्लास्टिक फाइबर्स आर इजी टू वॉश एंड ड्राई. These polyester fibers are not affected by insects. Dear students, now we have to know what is the usage of polyester. Polyester के क्या यूज हैं? Polyesters are used for making sarees, dress material, for students, used in magnetic recording tapes, the variety of polyester is PTE, that is also known as polyethylene terephthalate. There are many bottles made up of PTE. PTE is used for making bottles, many containers for keeping medicines. Dear students, now we have to explain acrylic synthetic fiber. It is also known as acrylon, Orion. Acrylic synthetic fiber is seems like wool, so it is also called artificial wool. This fiber is made up of acrylonitrile substance. So acrylic is a polymer of acrylonitrile. There are some properties which you know. Acrylonitrile is a substance from which acrylic fiber is made, has durability. These fibers are soft, lightweight, and producing warmness. So it is generally used in winter season. These fibers are less expensive than wool. It is easy to wash and not affected by insect. So we can say synthetic fibers are very popular nowadays than natural fibers. We have know about different synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Next, we have to study about plastic. Plastic is a chemical substance which is very popular in our society for making pipes, plastic bags, sanitary pipes, electric cables, etc. There are two types of plastics. First, thermoplastic. Thermoplastics are such plastic which are remolded in desired shape on heating and it becomes soft. So we can convert into a desired shape of material. The thermoplastics have flexibility, it stretch easily and we can convert into desired shape on heating. So it can be used again and again. Recycling of plastic, that is thermoplastic, can be done. Thermoplastics are used for making poly bags, different pipes. So we have to know what are the examples of thermoplastic. Thermoplastics are polythene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. We have to know what are the uses of polythene. When we go to market, then we carry some things in plastic. So it is used as poly bags to carry any object. Electric cables are insulated by plastic covering. Different sanitary pipes as well as different objects are made by PVC. Now we have to know what is thermosetting plastic. As its name suggests, thermosetting plastic means when we heat this plastic, then it cannot be remolded into desired shape. It is heated but cannot be remolded once again. So these plastics are not recycled into desired shape. There are some examples of thermosetting plastics like melamine, bakelite, Teflon. These are thermosetting plastics. Dear students, we have to know what is the use of melamine. Melamine thermosetting plastic is used for making fireman's dress because melamine is resist to burning in fire. आग में जलने से बचता है, इसलिए फायरमैन्स को जो आग बुझाते हैं उनके कपड़े बनाने के लिए मेलामिन के फाइबर्स कपड़े इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. टेफ्लॉन इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग नॉन स्टिक कुकवेयर and bakelite is also thermosetting plastic. It is used for making electric switches, plugs, sockets and so many objects. Dear students, As we know, plastic is very harmful for our nature. So we have to know what is the disadvantage and advantage of plastic. First, we have to discuss what is disadvantage of plastics. Plastics are hazardous, harmful for our nature because it is non-biodegradable substance. It cannot be decomposed after a long period of time, and it is when swallowed by the animals grazing in garbage, then it will be very harmful for their health. So we have to minimize the use of plastic in our life. We have to go to market to carry with jute bags, cotton bags instead of plastic. We have to prevent excess use of plastic. We have to know why it is not to carry plastic bag for marketing, because it is non-biodegradable substances. It can be swallowed by animals grazing in garbage in field, and when these animals eat the plastic bags, polythene bags, then it cannot be decomposed in their body stomach, and it is very harmful for their health. We have to know what is the advantage of using plastic. In nature, each and everything has its advantage as well as disadvantage. Plastics are very light, बहुत हल्का होता है, strong, मजबूत होता है, durable. It can be easy to carry one place to another place. हल्का होता है, मजबूत होता है और इधर से उधर ले जाने में आसान होता है. Plastics are insulators for heat and electricity. यानी प्लास्टिक जो है हीट का और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का इंसुलेटर है, जिसकी वजह से और किसी बर्तन के हैंडल में थोड़ी प्लास्टिक अगर लपेट दिया जाए तो हाथ गर्म नहीं होता. और किसी इंसुलेटर प्लास्टिक को इंसुलेटर के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अगर इलेक्ट्रिक वायर के ऊपर प्लास्टिक की कवरिंग कर दी जाए या कहीं पर तार कटे हुए हों, प्लास्टिक की कोटिंग कर दी जाए, प्लास्टिक लपेट दिया जाए तो इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक नहीं लगता, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल इंसुलेटर के रूप में किया जाता है. सो वी कैन से प्लास्टिक इज यूज्ड एज इंसुलेटर फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. These plastics are not affected by chemicals, so we can use in our daily life. Dear students, as we study all things about synthetic fiber and plastic, but we have to control ourselves to utilize the more use of plastic. There are many process by which we can manage the use of plastic. First, we have to reuse the plastic. हमको प्लास्टिक को बार बार लाए हुए प्लास्टिक को इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, ज़्यादा यूज न करें. प्लास्टिक्स कैन बी रिसाइकल्ड अगेन एंड अगेन. We have to pay attention to remove plastic. हम अपने जीवन में ऐसा अपना रूटीन बनाएं जिससे प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल कम से कम करना पड़े. When we go to market, then we have to pay attention to carry jute bags, cotton bags instead of plastic. We can use another type of fibers instead of plastic. So dear students, you have to note down these notes in your notebook and learn these topics. Thank you very much.